hurricane.
That little girl, she's a hurricane. Stick around, well, you might as well dig your own grave. I've been living in this town for some time. I got pictures in my mind. Oh, I pray to God I could erase. She comes in talking so sweet. Before you know it, she's knocked you off your feet. But young man, take a look up at the sky. So dark it ain't even night. Oh, you better pray your locked door keeps. Might I suggest, while you've got time, maybe you take a little ride out to the hill past the church. See the graveyard's fresh dirt, that hole looking just about your size. See how it just got so still. What's that thing coming over the hill? If you'd have only took heed, boy, you wouldn't be on your knees begging your God to intervene. That little girl, she's a hurricane. Everybody's been told to evacuate. Is that right? You think you'll be the first to somehow